Welcome to Ozzy Overhaul. Come on in.
We're Andy and Madeline. We quit our jobs to buy our very first investment property, a 100-year-old house that needed a lot of work. From falling down plaster to a deck that was just unsafe to stand on, this house needed it all. So make sure you stay tuned to follow along as we complete the Ozzy Overhaul.
Welcome back. We're finishing the ceiling.
First order of drywall dropped off this morning. Maddie's very excited to move it.
No, I'm not. Andy hates it when I take credit for his work. Who do you believe? Muscle Maddie.
We are at the house today installing drywall, or at least prepping for drywall.
It's my second one that I found on my first try.
Wow.
It's because I measured.
If you can see the lines faintly snapped in, where we're going to be securing our furring strips all the way down.
I did that.
Oh god. Like, okay, it's touching over there, and there's this nice gap right here, and oh, you can totally see it over there.
That's so bad.
Got the laser up. Just to show the height difference by the laser, here is about 3 inches. Ceiling here is only 3/4. So we're gonna have to shim the furring strips. We've gone ahead and furred out a portion of the ceiling. We have these blockings that are tied into structural members. So those are all secured nicely throughout, and they're all cut at different depths to provide a level surface.
It's the floor shot of the ceiling.
That was a pain. Thought it was gonna be easy. No, nothing is ever easy. Ever.
What Maddie's talking about is these vents. We had to drop the supply air below where it was, and in order to do that we had to cut out around it to drop it down because it was attached to the underside.
It's drywall day.
All right, here we go. First piece of drywall going up. We have almost got half of this room done.
Drywall day one is done. Drywall day one is done for the Donlins and the dog.
All right, that's a wrap. Tomorrow, hopefully we'll be able to finish this bad boy. But
Today, I mean, we got like half of that thing done. We are back at it once again.
and I got Maddie a special gift here.
Here you go.
It's like when a Jedi gets his first lightsaber. That's what this feels like for me. I don't know if I put this on video last time we were here, but we were hanging drywall and I was shoving the screws into my sports bra to hold them because I don't usually have pants with pockets. So this is going to be a total game changer.
It was time.
Catherine's back. Goodness. Wow, you guys put in the work. Looks great.
Catherine helped us with the wall demolition.
part.
So she actually hasn't seen it without the chimney in here yet.
Yeah, so much space for activities.
So
I know.
Look at this incredible teamwork.
Look at that. She's a pro already.
Look at this. Oh shit. Don't worry, we'll cut it out. We'll cut it out.
Okay.
Come see all the hard work I've done.
Whoa! Dang! It's looking good in here. Is that a flat ceiling or what?
That's a flat ceiling.
Shoot! Look, this is the worst part too, where they had done that bad patch on the ceiling.
It's gunky.
That thing is going bye-bye.
We only have like 2.5 more rows to do. We're averaging, I think, like 15 minutes a sheet. It's going well. I'm liking it.
The last piece of drywall for this room.
Oh, it fits.